Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to add animations in PowerPoint. Animations can make your presentations more dynamic and visually engaging, helping you hold your audience's attention. Let's dive right in. Start by typing out your title. Once you've entered the text, take a moment to format it. Make it bold, change the font style, and adjust the size or color to make it visually appealing. When you're happy with the formatting, click on the title text box to select it. Next, navigate to the Animations tab located in the top toolbar. Here, you'll find a variety of animation effects to choose from. For this example, I'll select the Fade effect from the Entrance category. This subtle animation adds a smooth and professional touch as the title appears on the slide. Now, let's add some animation to a video element on the slide. First, click on the video to select it. Go back to the Animations tab and explore the animation options designed for media elements. For this demonstration, I'll apply the zoom effect, which makes the video appear with an eye-catching pop. To control the order and timing of animations, open the animation pane by clicking on it from the same tab. This tool allows you to see all the animations on your slide and arrange them in the sequence you prefer. For example, you can set the title animation to appear first, followed by the video animation. You can also fine-tune the timing, ensuring a smooth flow between animations. Preview your work by clicking Play All in the animation pane to check how the elements animate in sequence. When you play the slide, you'll see the title fade in first, followed by the zoom effect on the video. This combination creates a polished and professional presentation slide. And there you have it. You've successfully added animations to your PowerPoint slide. With these simple steps, you can create engaging and dynamic presentations that captivate your audience. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.